house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
I get a lot of questions. Rosie, it's driving me nuts. My air conditioning comes on at 2:30 in the afternoon. It doesn't start off till 5:30. I always tell them, perfect. So somebody probably installed your system just about right.
Yeah, I mean, they should run. When it's really hot out, your air conditioning unit probably shouldn't turn off much.
And it does take a fraction of the power to run it than it does to start it.
Yes. We see amp draws, honestly, on compressors, older compressors, that might be 100 times of what the amp draw might be 100 times of what they do normally. And, I mean, realistically, the average is I might be overstating. That's probably a compressor with a really bad problem. But, 10 times the power draw is probably, appropriate.
The most efficient air conditioning unit, generally speaking, is going to be one that comes on and runs a good amount of time.
That's correct. I mean, the reason why we encourage our clients to look at variable speed equipment is because, there's a lot of reasons. Number one, they use so much less electricity. Number two, your house is just exponentially more comfortable, controls humidity better. Number three, half the volume of noise, right? They're just so much quieter. So people with inverter or variable speed equipment, half the time, they don't realize that their air conditioning system is running. Because you just don't know. I don't know when my air conditioning system's on. I legitimately never know.
Well, and that kind of runtime gives you the indoor air quality that you need. If you've installed it right and you've got the filter system correct.
If you've got a good filter system, you're going to clean the air. More importantly than cleaning the air, in my opinion, is making sure your air conditioning system is clean itself. Dirt is the enemy of an air conditioning unit. You get a unit dirty, it's going to dramatically reduce the performance of the equipment.
All right, let's start talking. I have the conviction to become every Arizona homeowner's best friend. And this time of year, a big part of that is protecting them from a lot of what they're going to hear is important and are critical and might be available through special offers. Mm-hmm. So the air conditioning companies across the state, across the valley, across everything south of the Mogollon Rim are going to be promoting a lot of what could possibly be loss leaders. And boy, the one thing I want to get on my soapbox for is you've really got to be careful of those.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.